Discrete manufacturing operation completion in Warehouse 360. Warehouse 360 is Mastech's innovative, customizable, and real-time warehouse management solution designed for future-envisioned organizations. Built to simplify complexity, it delivers operational excellence, giving you the power to manage your warehouse and shop floor transactions like never before. From handling unexpected orders to emergency shipments, this AI-powered solution ensures you're always one step ahead, even when on the go. Warehouse 360 includes several real-world-oriented functionalities, including discrete manufacturing operation completion. The functionality is designed to track, finalize, and document every step of your manufacturing process with precision and ease. Once the stakeholder enumerates the organization, work order and operation numbers, complete with its real-time status, it updates the process details for all the other stakeholders involved. This helps ensure that each step, from assembly to testing, is completed as per your production plan. With accurate start and end times recorded, you'll always have a clear view of your manufacturing progress. The functionality lets the user to change process placements and classify the process byproducts as completed, rejected and scrap quantities. This helps Warehouse 360 verify that each step meets the highest standards through inspections and testing, addressing defects to maintain the excellence your customers expect. With discrete manufacturing operation completion at hand, Warehouse 360 records every completed operation, generating detailed insights on status, resource usage, and quality control to help you continuously improve. Transform the way you manage discrete manufacturing. Contact us today to explore how Warehouse 360 can revolutionize your operations and help drive your success.